Orthodontic treatment options, braces, aligners, and beyond. Orthodontics have developed a great deal in the past few years, and now there are greater options than ever for straightening your teeth and correcting the bite. Metal braces, which are traditional in design, were used for years and continue to be a preferred alternative. There are many newer treatment options such as clear aligners and self-ligating braces. In this clip, we'll explore the various options for orthodontic treatments currently available, as well as their advantages and disadvantages. Traditional braces. Traditional metal braces remain one of the most commonly used kinds of treatment for orthodontics. They comprise of brackets made from metal connected to teeth by metal bands and wires. The braces gradually shift the teeth in the correct position as time passes, generally in a period of 3 to 4 years. They are efficient at correcting even the most difficult alignment problems, but they are uncomfortable and could require frequent adjustments. Ceramic braces. Ceramic braces resemble the traditional braces made of metal, however they are constructed of tooth-colored material, thereby making them more subtle. Although ceramic braces are excellent for patients looking for a discreet treatment, they're also more vulnerable to staining and could cost more as compared to metal braces. Clear aligners. Clear aligners such as Invisalign has become more sought after in recent years thanks to their low-profile appearance and ease of use. They are custom-made aligners that fit on the teeth to gradually adjust them until they are in the ideal location. They are removable and therefore easier to keep clean and maintained. However, they might not suit patients suffering from severe alignment problems. Self-ligating braces. Self-ligating braces are like traditional braces made of metal, however they are not reliant on elastics or metal tie. Instead, the brackets come with clip-ons that are built in to keep the wires securely. It can result in quicker processing times as well as fewer adjustments. Self-ligating braces are more expensive over traditional braces. Lingual braces. These braces sit at the back of the teeth. This makes them nearly unnoticeable. While they are ideal for patients looking for a treatment that is discreet, but they may be difficult to maintain and can be more difficult to get used to. Orthodontic treatment process. No matter what method of orthodontic treatment that you decide to go with, the process will be the same. When you first meet with your orthodontist, an orthodontist evaluates the bite of your teeth in order to find the ideal solution for you. After that, you'll have regular sessions to make adjustments to your aligners or braces and follow the progress you make. It is vital to follow the directions of your orthodontist and properly take care of your aligners and braces for optimal result. This means practicing proper oral hygiene habits, not eating certain foods that may harm your braces, and taking care to wear any additional devices as advised. Choosing the right treatment for you. If you are deciding on the most effective orthodontic option for you, it's crucial to take into consideration the lifestyle of your family, finances, and your own personal tastes. Traditional braces made of metal may be the cheapest option, however clear aligners might be worth the cost due to their comfort and slim appearance. An orthodontist will help you determine the advantages and disadvantages of each option to select the one that best suits your specific needs. There are many orthodontic options to choose from today. There are a variety of options available, such as traditional braces, clear aligners, self-ligating brackets, and braces that are lingual. Every option has benefits and drawbacks, therefore it's essential to talk with an orthodontic professional to decide which option is best that meets your specific needs. Because of the latest advancements in technology for orthodontics, having the straighter, more attractive teeth has never been simpler or accessible. Therefore, don't put off getting it. Book a consult with an orthodontic professional today to get started on your path to better health and a more confident smile.